Good evening, good morning, wherever you are. My name is Peter from Sun Insurance. Today, I want to come live and do a video about the taxation, the taxes. The reason I'm doing this video is I know I've been doing immigration videos, and I believe that there are some people who came to this country, the United States, who are new. And I wanted to do this video so that it can help them, because this is the first time if you migrated last year, and this is the first year you are going to do your taxes, these tips are for you. And also, if you moved to the United States previous years and you have doubts on how to file the taxes, I'm going to give you tips. First of all, I'm not an accountant. I'm not a tax officer. I don't work for IRS. I'm just doing videos to help people from the research I've done. So before you do your taxes, please consult experts, professionals who can help you. And I don't do these videos for money. I just do this video as a YouTuber. So today in the United States, today was the first day you can start filing your IRS taxes. If you are an employer, you work for a company, you get your W-2s or you get 1099. Today is the first day. So what I recommend is the earlier the better. If you wait until the last minute, you might forget. So you may want to do things and put them aside and forget about it. And the last day to file the taxes is April the 15th. So by April 15th, if you haven't filed, so you run out of time, that's not the end of the road. You can apply for extension, which goes all the way to October. But my advice is that do it early so that you can get it out of your way. And there are a number of things which I wanted to suggest if you are doing your taxes, depending from where you are doing. If you are doing from home computer, if you are doing in a library, if you are doing it from your phone, they are very, very sensitive information which you need to be very careful. There are always bad people out there, scammers, who are looking out for your information to go and use it in a bad way. So remember, if you are doing it on a computer which you are not sure is secure, make sure you don't save your personal information like the Social Security, your driver's license, your address on that device. Once you finish with this, delete the information and don't save it there. I know it's common sense, most people know, but there are new people who are coming to this country every time and they have never done this before. So I have to, help them, out so they can be aware of other bad people out there. So if you are receiving most of your information with through your mail, make sure your mail is lockable or is secure. Or if you don't want to use a mailbox at your address, you can use a mailbox at the post office, which you can be assured that it's secure. And always, if you are going to print any paperwork when you are doing your taxes, like copies of documents, make sure you shred those documents. You can use a shredder. If you don't have one, go to Walmart or Office Depot or Kinko's and find a shredding machine which you can shred your paperwork. And that way you don't have to worry like somebody is going to get your information. If you cut it into small pieces, you throw it in the trash bag and take the dustbin. that one is not guaranteed, because somebody somewhere is might get your information. So the best thing is to shred your information, and you don't have to worry about that. And there are a lot of credits which are out there, so you have to do your research and know which kind of credits you qualify, like tax break. And if you came to this country with your family, and there are some things for which you need to itemize, and this one you have to consult your tax consultant to find out which way to do it. But the main purpose for the video today is to remind you that the taxes are started today, and the last day to file is April the 15th. If by any reason you can't file on the 15th, then you can apply for an extension, and from there you can be allowed to do that. So guys, let me know what you think below this video, and I hope you guys can remember and file your taxes, get your refund, and if you owe IRS any money, make sure you pay on time, because if you don't pay on time what you owe the IRS, it might be accumulating, and then they might be sending letters, and you don't want to be in trouble. And that's the way to go it. So thank you very much, guys. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Happy filing. Bye-bye.